guys, if you're trying to log into Fortnite using GeForce Now, actually from any console for that matter, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, there is downtime at the moment. So just make sure to update the game if you guys are using consoles. If you're using GeForce Now, which I am right now, there's nothing we can do. Even if you get the option to update Fortnite, once you try to log into it, you can't. And if it tells you something like this, currently patching this game, blah blah blah, a few hours, that means exactly that. It's downtime. You guys cannot do anything. Especially if you're using GeForce Now, you cannot update Fortnite yourselves. It just updates by itself. So it's not something that you need to do. But if you're on console, so any console, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, you guys do need to update it and then just wait. And I'm saying wait because there is downtime. You guys can go into Fortnite status. And then from here, you guys can check out what downtime is happening at the moment. So you guys can actually see that this is happening to everybody. There's nothing you can fix yourselves. There is nothing to be fixed. It's just downtime. So right now it tells you right here that they're just fixing the game. Well, they're updating the game. So that's why you guys can't log into it. You just have to wait. And right here you guys can come back to see if there's any updates available. So it's going to tell you, oh, it's working. It's not working. So you guys can keep coming back to this website and just keep refreshing it until you guys see that it's working, then log into Fortnite, and you should be good to go. Now, if you're on console, if you're having any issues, you guys can just restart your consoles, make sure you updates, and then just wait like the rest of us until Fortnite's available. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.